guys, it's Chris Legs Jr. Welcome back to another. So welcome back to another video, Louisiana Popeyes, and this is sweet tea. It's very good.
And today, this is gonna be something very
We've never done this before, and spending 24 hours in that box, that was crazy, right?
If you haven't watched that, watch it right now.
Yeah. I'm sorry I didn't upload. My phone was dead. But yeah, welcome back to another video. She stole my Switch on that video, and yeah, today,
Baby.
why are we outside? Oh yeah, because we're making slime.
Woo! Yay! We got
So-
slime glue, activator, 1 cup, foam beads, we got glitter, we got glitter glue, we got some,
Okay, yeah, let's just, yeah. So
and we got
Camden's
dynamite.
actually lucky she gets to do this because I helped my dad clean the kitchen.
I didn't.
And she didn't. She picked up two things the whole time. We had to clean the living room and the kitchen. She picked up 2 things the whole time and then went over to play. So, yeah. She's lucky. You should be ashamed. Ashamed. Okay, good. So yeah.
Oh my
We
gosh, I'm
each-
so excited!
So,
Let's just start the video. Stop talking. Stop
Okay.
talking.
so what do we add first? Glue?
We add glue, then we get to add what we want in our slime, and then add activator.
Okay, so Camden, if you please hold the camera, watch me pour the glue.
No, I want to. So, and then you have to hold the camera while I pour.
Okay, you have to be very careful though. Well, right here. Okay, guys, so this is herbal. This
Glue?
is mine. This is herbal.
No, this is your bowl. That's
Okay,
one's mine.
Then this is my bowl. This is yours, and I'm gonna be opening the glue. Okay. So.
1 cup at a time, Cadence.
Okay, this is
One
actually
cup.
kind of crazy. So, I'm going to pour a cup.
Be
Pour
careful.
sesame.
Be careful.
I'm not a bee.
Be careful.
Oh, that's actually kind of satisfying. Look at that.
I know it is. That's probably enough.
No. Yeah, you're probably right. Okay. So, I poured my glue. Do I put it in here?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, how about I put it in here since it's closest to me? Nah, it's okay.
It's closest to me.
We'll just switch it around.
Okay, Kens, you can do it one more time if you want.
No. It's 1 cup each. Our mom said we have to do 1 cup each.
1 cup each?
Yeah.
What? No.
Yeah.
We got.
Well, who cares? We're gonna do it more times this summer. Can you go get
It's fine.
Can you go get a fork, butter knife, please? Thanks.
You need a spoon.
Who cares?
I'll get a butter knife.
Okay, so while she's getting that, I'm gonna show you guys what we have. So we got some foam beads, tons of glitter, more bead stuff.
Stuff.
Yeah, I don't know what those
Foam
are.
beads.
I showed them that. This is glitter.
How's that so cool?
Glitter slime or whatever it is. Glitter glue, yeah. I'm getting confused. And then there's like beaded glitter, I guess. I don't know what it's called. So yeah, there's all that.
It's called diamond glitter.
I don't think that's what it's called, but who cares? Okay, so I just poured my cup into my bowl. So, stop. That's good. That's good, Camden.
Okay, I'm trying to.
Good. Thanks. You just fell.
I'm gonna do mine,
Okay, so I'm gonna move mine over here.
and you can pick your stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so let's watch satisfying glue pouring again. Down, but down, bam, bam, bam. What the heck? Do you think I should play music in the background?
No.
No.
Boring.
Okay, that's about good. That's good. That's good. Okay, so she poured her 1 cup, And here it goes all again. Bow, 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 bow. That's satisfying.
Glue pouring is like the satisfying thing.
No.
It's so satisfying.
That's good. Okay, guys, so we just put glue in. We're gonna make 1 batch or 2 batches?
No, you have to put the glitter in first.
No, you don't. Actually, I think you put activator in.
Well, I'm gonna do glitter first.
Okay, well, you do that.
Well, we need to get our mixing tools
Yeah. So let's go inside.
and get our mixing tools.
I think we need hold on. Are we making 2 batches of slime? No, we're making 1. We're not sharing. We're just gonna make 2 1 batches, I guess, if that makes sense. No. We need 1/4. 1/4. Got it. So this is what we're gonna put the activator in to make the slime.
One lid full of activator each time.
Yeah, but it says 1/4 on it, so who cares? Yeah. So 1/4. So who's going first? I guess I will.
I'm gonna pick my glitter.
Okay, so she's gonna pick her glitter. I'm gonna actually. Can you film?
Why?
Cause I need help. Thanks. Okay, guys. So you can turn it around like this. Okay, now film like this. Ah, no! Okay. Technical difficulties, guys. So today we are making slime, my friends. What? Okay, so here's the activator. Okay. Now I'm putting the activator in. Ooh, that is a lot of activator.
Jeez, Cadence.
Okay,
Ooh, pink. This light pink and white will do.
I am really careful. Whoop! Okay. Done. My mixing tool. Should I start mixing or no? Nah, I'll wait for you. Look at that already.
And
This is pretty cool, guys. Whoa! Okay. Awesome. Okay, guys, so do you want me to pour the activator for you?
No.
No? Okay.
Hope. This is not coming out.
Okay, well, hurry up because I need to make this video at least 10 minutes. So.
Why is this not?
No, don't worry about that yet. Okay, just pour the activator and then start mixing.
We're not done yet.
It doesn't matter this yet. Big or small?
Fine.
That was weird. No, it's this one.
This one?
Yeah. No, the activator.
Ew, stop.
That was weird.
Stop being so gross today.
I'm not gross today. That's good. Yeah, that's about good. And let's pour. Okay, guys, so I am going to start mixing.
Do you want any glitter in it?
Yes, I do.
Then you have to put glitter
Okay,
in.
guys, I think I'm gonna use some blue glitter. That's my favorite color. So, yeah. You can start mixing if you want.
I don't want to yet. It's not done glitter yet. Oh, forgot foam beads, jeez.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna use them. If you guys don't know, I like my slime just glittery. So this is my glitter so far. Can always add more. Do you think I'll add some of this?
Foam beads. You're not gonna use any?
No. No, don't use them all. Oh, wow. That's a lot of foam beads.
How? How's that a lot?
Okay, well, guys, please stand by. I am just going to pour this because it is actually kind of hard.
I'm so excited.
Okay. So,
Ooh,
the cap is off. So now I'm going to pour it in. Can you please film? I'm sorry. You know what?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Please, pour! Does this thing even work? It's closed. What? It's closed. It's closed. What the heck? This thing. Maybe you need to cut it. Oh, I got it. Okay, well, apparently I'm just going to have to take both the lids off.
I'm going to start mixing now.
Go ahead.
Ah, there's a phone booth open.
Okay, so they look like little blue turds, I guess. I'm not gonna
there's cardboard in my slime.
I'm not gonna use all of it today because I might save it for the past. Whenever we do more slime.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Okay.
You should look at this, Cadence.
And I am going to start mixing. Did you only grab one mixing tool? Oh, that's way too many beads. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's just beads basically mixed with stuff.
So, that's how I like it.
Last time you put way too many of those, like, hard glitters in. Okay, guys, so I'm going to get a mixing tool. Oh, mixing tool. Okay, mixing tools in the hands. We're going to end this video soon. Just please stand by with me. And here we go. Let's go. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. No, no. No.
Oh my gosh, Cadence.
It's working. This is working. Maybe not enough glitter or coloring.
Mine doesn't have enough activator.
It's okay. No, it's just because of your beads, probably.
No. I've seen a person that has a bigger pack and add all of them, and it turned into slime. So
Maybe not enough glue, but we can't add any more.
maybe I need more activator.
Guys, I need more sprinkles.
Where?
Or glitter, yeah.
Sprinkles. Why will it put sprinkles?
I think that should be enough. I'm sorry, guys. This is so long. I'm trying to make this shorter. That's probably about good. Maybe we'll add just a little bit more activator.
No. Is this?
I use the cap. Okay.
Sounds so.
I add a little bit more activator. That almost should be good. Does activator, if you add too much, does it make it sticky?
It makes it wet, like goopy.
Okay. I'm not going to add any more. I think mine's good. I just need more coloring.
Now I just have to.
Okay, guys, I'm going to see if I can. Oh, wow. What is this? Is this way too... Do I just have to keep mixing it?
Yep.
Oh, my gosh. I don't know if there's enough activator, honestly.
Yeah. I have to get it off my hands to put more activator.
Oh, my gosh. What is this?
It's slime.
Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to make another video on how it turns out. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.